Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello friends, welcome to Learn the New Planet channel. So today we are going to see how to convert black and white image to a color image. It takes just few seconds. It may be minutes. It depends on your ability to work with Photoshop. The first thing you have to do to convert this image is to download Photoshop file, which has given the link in description. After downloading, install it and open in your computer. Once if you open, it will ask for the image to upload. Click on file and select open. And now it's time to select the image that you want to convert. I am selecting the grayscale image, that is nothing but the black and white. Then we have to change the mode of the image. Mode is nothing but the color of the image on its file. So to do this, you can select image menu and mode option. Select CMYK colors so that it enables us to use the colors on the image. So now we have to select the main part of the image. Here I am selecting the face because face covers lot of area in this image. You can use the pen tool to select this. The pen tool will be available in tool menu. It was not necessary to select as accurate one. You can select it as with precision, not as too much accurate, because we are going to adjust the size, that is radius, in which it helps us to increase and decrease it as its color changes. Once it came to an end, join starting and end point. It will form a line like this. Then you have to right click and select make selection. You have to ensure that the radius should be 2.5 pixels to get the better output of this result. Once you select, click Ctrl J to duplicate the layer that you have selected. Then I am going to do a magic trick here. You have to press Ctrl B. It will open a color balance menu. In that you can adjust the color at your wish. Normally our faces looks skin color, that is how I express. When we mix the yellow and red, we get that color. So that I am increasing the cursor towards red and also increasing the cursor towards yellow. It was not necessary to fix in that point, this point, or something else. And also you can also change this as for example, if you wear something like t-shirts, shirts, then you have to select different color that you want. So next we have to blacken the hairs, because here many of the hairs were looking white because of the conversion of the image from color to the black and white. You can use burn tool to do this. Just drag it over the hairs of the person. Then I think so you might have noticed this. The eye of the person was not here. It was as same color as the skin. We have to change this. To change this, we can just erase the layer that we have already created. We can use the normal brush and the eraser tool to do this. Zoom in the image and decrease the size of the cursor and erase it off the eyes. Similarly, do this one to another eye too. Once if you are done, you might also notice another thing, that the eyeballs were not in color, it too in black and white. So that we have to convert as the same thing that we have did for the skin color. So you can use quick selection tool to make the selection very quick, and then similarly press Ctrl J and Ctrl B. One another thing I have to inform you here by that you can convert any of the colors using this function. Press Ctrl J and then Ctrl B, and imagine yourself how your eye look like, maybe a blue color for the foreigner, so that I'm increasing towards the blue, then the color changes to blue in color. Yes, we got it. So now what else we have to do? I'm going to merge everything layers to avoid the confusions, and then you have to select selective color in adjustment bar and select the yellow color, because I'm using lot of yellow colors here. That is not, I'm using the red and yellow. The yellow can be separated alone, and then we can change the color of the yellow. It too not necessary to fix the point in that point or this point. It's your wish. You can adjust this and do it with the check and trial method. And then now you have to adjust the brightness and contrast of the image to get the best output. My suggestion is to reduce the brightness so that it looks little darkened, and it also looks as the real one, because darkening might increase the reality. Then select on the curves and adjust this. Now I think so it looks good. Let me check what else we have to do. I am having the original image that I have converted it into the black and white. So now I am going to open that original image. Let's see what were the differences. There is not a lot of difference, but it is little bright and little dull. You can adjust this by adjusting the color bits. I'm just using the 8 color bit. You can use 36 to get the output. And another thing, that the lips was not perfect. It too has the color of the skin. We have to differentiate this. We can paint the lip with the help of the paint tool. So you have to select a color. I'm choosing the rose color. And then another thing, that if you have painted, it will be a like solid color, so that you have to reduce the opacity to 15 and then start painting. Oh, it's too dark, so we have to reduce this. I'm just undoing and selecting another color. Dark pink would be the perfect one. Now I'm going to zoom in and paint it out. Oh, there is something over the lips, so I'm once again doing this by zooming in. Yes, it looks perfect. And then what shall we do? Eyebrows. Eyebrows should have to be little darkened. You can adjust this to get the darken of the eyebrows. And then what else? Yeah, colors still differentiates. So you can adjust this by selecting the photo filter icon in adjustment tool. Use the same color that they has given as a preset, or else you can select any other color as your wish. The best color for this editing is that the orange color, because orange acts as the warm color so that it gives us the reality of the image. You can adjust and reduce the opacity that they has given in the option. And also another thing, that to practice yourself, I have uploaded another video of Mahatma Gandhi, in which I has never explained something, just created a just intro and how to make without any of the voice. You can check this video, I have attached the link in the description. If you like this video, share this to your friends.
Subscribe, learn the new planet. And also, if you have any doubt, ask it in the comment section.
Then subscribe now.